Good evening, everyone. Here's the day-end market roundup for the Colombo Stock Exchange on October 1st, 2025, brought to you by Senfin Securities. The All-Share Price Index, ASPI, closed at 21,851.30 points, gaining 72.70 points, which is an increase of 0.33%. Meanwhile, the S&P SL 20 index also ended higher at 6,138.79 points, up 12.26 points, marking a 0.2% increase. Both indices showed positive momentum, reflecting improved investor sentiment in today's trading session. The total market capitalization stood at 778.42 billion rupees at the close of trading today. Total market turnover for the day was 6.47 billion rupees, reflecting steady activity. Crossings for the day amounted to 733.44 million rupees, with the highest crossings recorded in Commercial Bank of Ceylon and the Kandy Hotels Company, 1938. Domestic investors dominated total market purchases, accounting for 252.48 million rupees, which represents about 97% of total buying activity. Foreign purchases stood at 212.27 million rupees, contributing the remaining 3%. On the sales side, domestic investors recorded sales of 343.18 million rupees, making up a significant 98% of total market sales. Foreign sales were relatively subdued at 121.57 million rupees, representing just 2%. Now let's look at the top gainers of the day. 1. Kottagala Plantations. 2. The Autodrome. 3. The Kandy Hotels Company, 1938. 4. Singhi Hospitals. 5. United Motors Lanka. These companies showed strong performance during today's trading session, reflecting positive investor sentiment and upward momentum in the market. Conversely, here are the top losers of the day. 1. SMB Finance. 2. Standard Capital. 3. Ceylon Hospitals PLC, Durdans. 4. Kigal Plantations and TESS AGRO. These companies experienced downward movement in today's trading session, indicating a dip in investor sentiment and short-term market pressure. Let's take a look at the top positive contributors to the All-Share Price Index for the day. 1. Melstacorp. 2. Hamas Holdings. 3. Diesel and Motor Engineering. 4. People's Leasing and Finance and RIL Property. These companies played a key role in supporting the index with their strong performance and positive market impact. Finally, let's take a look at the top negative contributors to the All-Share Price Index for the day. 1. Hatton National Bank. 2. Carson Cumberbatch. 3. The Colombo Fort Land and Building. 4. Lion Brewery Salon and Aitken Spence. These companies had a noticeable impact on pulling the index lower during today's trading session. Thank you.